Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Instagram for business marketing step by step clearly. Create a business account on Instagram if you haven't already. Download the Instagram app and sign up using your business email address. Choose a username that reflects your business name for easy recognition. Complete your profile by adding a logo or a professional image as your profile picture. Write a compelling bio that clearly outlines your business offerings. Include a link to your website or a specific landing page in your bio. Switch to a business account by going to Settings and utilize the Insights tool to understand your audience demographics and engagement metrics. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your business goals. Post high-quality images and videos that resonate with your target audience. Use Instagram Stories to share daily updates, behind-the-scenes content, and promotions. Incorporate relevant hashtags to increase discoverability of your posts. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and direct messages promptly. Collaborate with influencers or other businesses to reach a wider audience. Run Instagram ads to target specific demographics and promote your products. Utilize Instagram Shopping if you have products to sell directly through your account. Analyze your performance regularly by checking engagement rates and post reach. Adjust your strategy based on what content performs best with your audience. Stay updated with the latest Instagram features and trends to remain competitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.